NVDA have done an 800% increase in price in 1.5 years. Are we still going to continue higher from here, or are we going to enter now in a bear market? Well, in today's update, I'm simply going to answer this question by using Elliott Waves, a technical analysis that allows you to literally predict the next possible move on the markets. So it's going to be a very good one. There will be a trade setup in this update, you'll see. If you enjoy, as always, don't forget to smash the like, to subscribe to the channel, to turn notifications, and now let's go with this TA. So I'm going to add all the waves here. This is what we can look for at the moment, so we have more like there. I'm not going to cover the full higher time frame wave count, really gonna focus on this last increase in price we have done. So we've got this very nice wave 1 with 5 waves in there, a correction for a wave 2, and so after a wave 1, 2, come a wave 3, after the wave 3 we'll have a wave 4, and then we'll have a wave 5, so normally the top should now be in, we should still get some more increase in price, and so we should finish this wave 5, this pink wave, so the pink wave are simply the smaller waves into the wave 3, into the wave 1, 3, and 5 as always, we have 5 waves. If you want to, by the way, trade this asset, you have a very good crypto exchange where you can trade this from. This is absolutely insane. So simply go and check out the deal section here, or I mean, you can find a link really in the description. You can claim a bonus of $5,000. This is pretty nice. So you have 5,000 USDT rewards, really. Just go and check this out. Of course, if you sign up with this link, you of course support the channel because I'm doing everything for free. So if you want to trade this along with me, I'm going to show you the trade setup. Simply go and check out this link in the description and you will be able to trade up, and you can of course get some nice rewards in addition to this. So this is pretty cool. Otherwise you can find this into the deal section of the website. Just go and check this out really. So here, if you remember good, we have been able to trade this very nice wave for here. Everything was posted on the Discord server. I am mainly a crypto trader, but when there is some good trades to take, really, when there are some good trades to take, I'm going to be here. And so for example here, NVDA, well, all of this was planned. For example, you can see this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was even posted before. This is just a new channel really. You can find that, by the way, on the Discord server within the other TA section here, and if you click there you have this nice NVDA right here with many more assets really. Just go and check this out. But for example here, we have been able to trade up. We've got so this very nice wave 4 pullback was looking for, so we did got the pullback, and so from that pullback we were simply looking for the wave 4 retracement there to buy this back and to look for another increase in price. So we did took the long trade, and from here we did got the bounce against here from the wave 4 target was looking for, and so we've got the nice increase in price even higher than the maximum blue wave 5 target. So we simply have to look for the bigger pink wave 3 targets, so to speak here the 3618 and the 423.6. and so from here you can see we look for the wave 3 top and the wave 4 retracement, and so well, this is exactly what happened. You can see here we go into, so here, where is that? So here's the 423.6, you can see there, so $945, so you can see here $945. So we go into the max wave, the wave 3 target, and from here we get a pullback for the wave 4. So really, if you want to stay updated, make sure to join the Discord server. If you don't have an account yet, make an account, create one, join the Discord server, and you will be able to access all these TAs for absolutely free. You do not need to pay again. And so from here we've got the nice pullback for the wave 4, and so now we can simply look for this wave 4 retracement. You can see here from this nice max wave 3 target. So we can now remove this. There's the exact same price, you can see here. If I move this a bit more on the right, if you can catch that, that'll be cool. Like this, $945. So the thing is now, we simply have to look for the pullback, and so how can you find a wave 4 target? How is it, for example, to find this wave 4 target? How is it possible to find a wave 4 target here? You just need to take the retracement tool and pull it from the wave 3 top down to the wave 3 root. That's it really. From here, you simply have to add the following targets: 23.6, 31, 32, the MC fib, the 38.2, and the 50%. This will be the wave 4 target zone of price really, where we look for the retracement, and from here, from this buy zone, for another increase in price for the wave 5. So next, we're simply going to see how it is possible to find a wave 5 targets. But yeah, first of all, this is a buy zone, and so we have in that case this possible a long trade setup where you can just, for example, place a limit there, another one there, another one there, another one there, and if everything get filled and, for example, we lose a trade, we get stopped out, you do not risk more than 2% per trade. So even if you get stopped out, you do not blow up your account, you have a risk management behind this, and so it's fine, okay? But yeah, normally is what we can look for. Personally, I'm already in, okay, because we already got a touch into it, this 23.6, and well, this was posted on the Discord server, as you can see here, was already looking for that retracement before it happened. So, well, this is already here. Now, if you're joining here, well, we have some possible 5 ways before, so normally, possibly in that case, an ABC zigzag down. Now, if we push high like that, we push high directly, well, now we can simply look for the wave 5 targets, right? So how do you find the wave 5 target? So by the way, the buy zone is between $850 down to $700 really dollars. If we have to break this, be a bit careful, we are more likely not in this anymore, okay? But for the moment, gonna stay with this. So in that case, to find a wave 5 targets, you simply have to take the extension tool this time, click first on the wave 1 route. Oops, that is, if I can catch that there, so wave 1 route, wave 1 top, that is again here, and the third click will go on the wave 4 bottom we're going to do. So just for the example, let's take the case that the wave 4 bottom is in, so we can simply add next the wave 5 target. Just gonna remove some few fibs there because we have a bit too much at the moment. What is this, by the way? Oh yeah, okay. So we can remove this, and well, this is done. Perfect. So now we can simply look for the following targets. Let's move this a bit more on the right and this a bit more here. So let's go with 250. And so here we just have to add the following targets, so to speak here, the 618, 100%, 1618, and the 2618. These 4 fibs are simply going to be the wave 5 targets where we're going to expect a stop, so to end this wave 5, and so next we can look for this bigger pullback for the wave 4, for the white wave 4. So if we bounce directly from here, okay, well, these are the targets. We can look simply here. So the 618, that brings us with what? A wave 5 truncated, that stopped before the wave 3 top. So this is less probable. The 120 extension, we can still do a bit of a wick above, so still be aware of that. Normally, this is the first take profit one. Now, the most probable and the best is to go into this 1618 first of all, because this is the one that is not truncated really, that do not stop before the wave 3 top. So to speak around 1000 by the way dollar, if we start breaking this, we can simply look for the next target, so to speak here, the 2618, so around $1,150. These are the 2 main targets we have above us, and to add some more confluence, what we can do is simply, for example, go on the daily time frame, add the log scale to catch better the tops and bottom, and simply add the bigger wave 3 targets. To do this, simply take the extension tool, click first on the wave 1 route, bam, second on the wave 1 top, that is normally there, and the third click will go on the wave 2 bottom, so to speak, right here. From here, at the wave 3 target, so to speak here, the 100% right here, then the 1618, and normally we have a lot more chance to reach this target minimum. And you can see here, if you move this a bit more on the right, let's go with 400, we can see here this 1618 most probable wave 3 target line up exactly with the 1618 of the wave 5. Of course, if the wave 4 bottom is in, if we don't do a bigger wave 4, if we do a bigger wave 4, simply add the third click of this wave 5 target. So the third click on the wave 4 bottom, we're going to do in that case gonna lower a bit the target depending where we go exactly. But yeah, next big target is simply 1000. Really, this is a good psychological price, of course. And so this is a wave 3 1618, so the most probable to reach minimum. Should we break this, get acceptance above? We have the 200% around again this 2618 of the wave 5. If again the wave 4 bottom is in, then we have, if we have still to push high, for example, the wave 5 push high from here. We break the 1618, the 2618, and so reach the 200% of the white wave 3. And if from here there is nothing really, where we don't have the 5 waves in there completed, because we need to get 5 waves into the wave 5, we don't have the 5 waves in there, well, we're going to push higher. In that case, we're going to go past the max wave 5 target. And so what are the targets in that case? Simply the following ones above. We simply have to look for the bigger wave 3 target. So to speak, the next one, the 2618 here of the extension tool. So we have the 120 extension, 1618, 200%, 2618, 3618, and the 423.16. So should we break 1000? We can simply look for $1,100, 200. If we break this, well, $1,500. If we break it, or 4,500. If we break this, massive increase in price, and we look for 1,800, break this, $2,000. Simple as that. These are the next target we can look for, and the only thing we need to do to determine where this is going to stop is simply to count the smaller phi within there, such as, for example, into that wave 3, we recognize that it was more likely about to stop on the maximum target, because we've got the smaller wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and we was in the wave 5, and we've got the smaller wave, the smaller phi within here, the white one, the 1, 2, 3, or 5, more likely about to be done, and you can see everything was posted really live in the time before we even dropped. Was looking for this wave 1, 2, 3, or 5, the touch into the max wave 3 target, and come back down here for the wave 4, so get the pullback for the wave 4, and for the moment we are at the 23.6. Okay, so yeah, this is what we can look for really next. So normally no bearish market yet, we should still see some higher prices to come next on this asset. And yeah, if you want to follow along and trade this with me, trade this wave 4 and next the next trade, for example, we can maybe look for some short next into the target depending on the smaller wave and everything. To write, for example, this bigger wave, bam, 3, 4, and then, well, again, buy back the wave 4 here to look for the wave 5 next after this. Well, if you want to follow along with me, trade this with me, we could just have to go and sign up, for example, with the BingX link you have in the description. You can go and check out also the deals section of the website. And by the way, if you want to learn your waves, if you want to make by yourself such prediction, because you know, this is, everyone can do this, you just have to learn the technical analysis, and you're done. So if you want to learn this, well, you've come to the right place, because there is a brand new Elliott Wave course available on the website, and it is free. It's pretty crazy, right? So just go and sign up there, you know, go into the course section, click the Elliott Wave course here, and you will be able to get the 3 course there for absolutely free. On Monday, the next Monday here next week, you have another Elliott Wave course coming, so you have the 4 first courses for absolutely free. You have 10 courses at the end, and the 4 first courses really lessons represent really more than half of the full Elliott Wave course. The content you have inside represent really more than half of the full Elliott Wave course. In addition to this, it's not over. In addition to the Elliott Wave course, you have a contest really that you will be able to play for absolutely free. The first one here, where you have a nice $300 prize pool. So really go and sign up on the website, learn the 4 courses. The first one's really good, and so next week, the first week of April, you will be able to play the contest, and so to get a chance to win up to $300. The first place will be $150, the second one $100, and the third one $50. And next, if you want to continue with the 2 next contest with bigger prize pool, and so some more courses, you have 6 more courses, you just have to sign up as apprentice. You don't have to cancel anything otherwise if you joined it before. No worries, there is no trap. But anyways, if you want to learn your waves, you can see it's working pretty fire. And so yeah, make sure to go and sign up on the website, learn this, and if you want to trade this with me along, go and check out the deal section. You have the link in the description too, and sign up with the BingX link you have in the description. But anyways, on this being said, I wish you all a nice weekend ahead. Take care and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.